What I have here is a 1989 325i. This is an M42 converted E30. This is a 4-door E30 with an AC Schnitzer body kit. It has 15-inch BBS Euroweave wheels with 205/55 R15s. These are Yokohama Advan, and they are brand new. Everything, a lot of things on this car are brand new, in fact. So the wheels and the tires are brand new. A lot of work has been done to this car mechanically. The exhaust sounds amazing. This car has about 86,000 original miles, and the odometer proves it. The paperwork is there to prove it. This is an amazing, very comfortable, very fast, very capable, and just a very competent car. Everything about this car just screams original, with, of course, you know, the added functionality of the additional power plant. Trunk looks really nice in here. Everything, again, has been maintained. A lot of all original parts have been well maintained and cleaned. On the back side here, you got your spare tire here, which will fit. There are no big brakes in this, but everything here is pretty original. Taking this off, you can see rusty, a couple of rusty parts, but you know. Really nice AC Schnitzer exhaust. Stainless steel all the way back. Take a look at the description in the video here to see exactly all the work that was done to this thing. A lot of work was done. I'll point out the flaws toward the end of the video here. But yeah, very, very nice, very clean interior. It's got Recaro, lightweight Recaro seats. Very comfortable. Everything works. Sunroof works, right? I'll demonstrate that. All the windows work. Take a look inside of here. 86,000 miles. Right, AC, heat, obviously. Crack-free dash. Dashboard is in very, very excellent condition. There's not one blemish I can find on this thing, actually. And this is not a cover, this is an original dash. Beautiful M-Tech 2 370mm steering wheel here. Five-speed transmission. More than likely a ZF. Okay. Won't focus there. Turning the lights. Backlights. This is Euro inspired. Let's open up the hood here. This is an M42 engine from an E36. Again, very original. A lot of new parts were put on here. A lot of hard to find new parts. It's got a slimline fan from, I believe it's a 324D, a diesel. Xenon lights. Just a really nice overall, like, this nice driver's car. It just really is. It's a very comfortable drive. Very peppy. Now let's get into some of the things about this car that aren't perfect, that could need a little bit of improvement. From, I don't know where that came from. It looked like it might have been from like a wiper, but it's really hard to tell. But there's definitely some pretty deep gouges in the paint. There is a slight dent right here. That can more than likely get removed from like a PDR. I'm guessing PDR can take care of that. The antenna is a little bit noisy. It does work though. The antenna does work. It is a little bit noisy. The taillight here looks like they might have put a bulb in there that was too hot. So it looks like it did kind of like blow it out a little bit or melt it in a way. Kind of makes it a little bit bowed out. You can see that. The interior is just about perfect. I mean, there's really not much to tell you about the interior that's wrong, that's bad. The brake lining light does go away when you start driving. That other one is the parking brake. So you can turn that on and off, on and off. The ABS light does go on when you start driving. So there might be a problem with the sensor, but that is something that's not going to be fixed as part of the sale. Turn the AC on. You feel how cold it is now? Takes a minute, but it will get cold. Let's talk about the sunroof here. Sunroof works, original headliner. Oh, terrible lighting here. So when the AC does kick on here, the high-speed fan on the condenser does kick on. So everything is working there. Let's close the sunroof and put it into tilt mode. This is a new one-piece sunroof gasket, so this was previously installed, pretty new, so you don't have to worry about replacing a sunroof gasket again. So yeah. Now take a minute to enjoy a nice little siesta going through every aspect of this car without a word being spoken, starting now. So guys, if this is a car that you're interested in, it's a beautiful, rare car nowadays. You don't find any of these below 100,000 miles, let alone below 90,000 miles on the market today. It is on Bring a Trailer right now, so please click on the link below in the description to check it out. And hopefully, if you're interested, place a bid. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. My name is Frank Macaluso from Garageaholic. Thank you very much for watching.